we gotta get this motor off the frame, the motorcycle frame, and we're gonna get the mower in here and see if we can mock something up. Just test fitting today.
coolest little tires. It's a 205 30 12. There ain't much sidewall on that thing. I think they're actually golf cart tires, but they're 17 inches tall, 8 inches wide, and they just look like little radials or something. And this is the original tire. And these rims will fit. And on the rear end that was on this, there's already a set of hubs that these bolt right to. So you can see I got some more lowering, ability there with that. Just taking them tires off would lower it, what, 4 inches? I think these are, let's see. Yeah, right here. These are 23 by 850, 12. Alright guys, sorry for the short video, but I've been actually working on this for a while, and I got the motor set on there. I use the hoist just because all the wiring and stuff, it's hard to hold on to that thing. That motor's actually really heavy. I could pick it up, but it's hard with all the wiring and stuff hanging off of it, and I'm not real good with wiring, so I really didn't want to unplug too much, because I'm afraid I won't get it back together right. It's probably pretty self-explanatory, but I just don't want to chance it. But I think the way it's sitting on there, it's going to work out pretty good. The sprocket I should be able to route it down here, maybe use a little jack shaft and go straight back to this rear axle. And speaking of rear axle, I don't have one for this yet, but I do have one on my son's Jeep that I was building him, which I'm going to get back to that thing here soon. But I'm going to steal the the hangers for the bearings for the axle, and throw that axle on here, and order a new set for his Jeep and an axle for this. So I'm just going to use his axle just for now, just so I can continue with this, and then whenever the new bearings and stuff get here, I'll put them on his Jeep and put his axle back and put my new axle on this, the right width axle. So this is pretty much about how it's going to set. I got some new angle iron, and I might just get rid of those ones that are there, because that's just straight angle, because it has a bunch of holes in it. I'm not sure, I don't want to get confused with new holes that I need to drill, or if one of those is in the way. But yeah, pretty much this is where it's going to set. I got a rack and pinion for it for the front. I'm not sure if I'm using these front tires and wheels. I have a set of spindles off of another, like a dune buggy I have up on the hill. It's just parts. It's a 4-lug, and it's got disc brakes on the front, and it has the master cylinder and everything already there, hydraulic. So I might look into that, but I'm not too worried about that right now. For now, I want to get this motor mounted and start working on getting this back piece of the frame built. I could end this video here because I just don't have time. This video is supposed to come out yesterday, and I didn't get to it, but I got to it as soon as I could. And I'm not going to give you guys a certain day on the next one, but hopefully by next weekend I'll have some work done on this, and we'll see what we got. But thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this, hit the subscribe button and comment. Give me a thumbs up. That makes me happy and helps me out, keeping me going on the videos.